In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Unity game view to the website. In part A, you have to install and run the Node.js server in the terminal. In part B, you have to set up FM WebSocket system in Unity. Before you can run the Node.js server, you have to install npm and the Node.js commands. You can download them from the official website. In FM WebSocket 2.0 system, you don't have to install Socket.io library anymore. You can skip the step 2 and install the Express module from command line. The tutorial video is also available on our YouTube channel. In our package, our example Node.js server is included in the FM WebSocket folder. You can find the index.js from the folder Resources FM WebSocket. In the terminal, you can type node space and the full path of our index.js, then press enter. There should be a message, server turned on with port 3000. If it's running correctly, you can open the website with your Node.js IP address and the port 3000. This should show you the demo web page. Now, you can move to part B for setting up FM WebSocket in Unity. Create a new empty object called FM WebSocket Manager and add the component FM WebSocket Manager. Change the network type to server and double-check your port number, which should be 3000. For capturing your game scene, we have to add the game view encoder to your main camera. Add the components game view encoder. Change the capture mode to main cam and enable the fast encode mode with the async encode option. Those settings will give you the best performance. In the onDataBytes-ready event, register a new event, drag your FM WebSocket Manager into the box, add the new function FM WebSocket Manager send to others. In demo web page, connect as client and you should see the streaming results in the website. And of course, you can increase the quality to 75, resolution scale to 0.5, stream frame rate to 30 for better streaming quality. For receiving the data in Unity, it's very simple. Create a new empty object called FM WebSocket Manager. Add the components FM WebSocket Manager. The network type should be client. IP address should be your Node.js server IP address with the port 3000. For decoding the live streaming data, let's create a new empty object called GameViewDecoder. Add the components GameViewDecoder. And please don't forget to enable the fast decode mode with the async option for the best performance. When FM WebSocket Manager received the data, you have to pass the data to the decoder. Register a new event under onReceivedByteData event. Drag the GameViewDecoder into the box and assign the new function GameViewDecoder action process image data. In this demo, we are going to display the results with the raw image. Scale it to the full screen in the web transform. In the decoder, find the preview type and change it to raw image, and assign our raw image here. For quick testing, we've built a Unity server app and start it now. In the demo web page, we can connect as clients. In Unity Editor, you can run your game scene with the client connection. If everything is correct, you should have the live streaming results on web browser and the Unity Editor.